Hey everybody, it's Welded Rail Trains here. Got a little bit of snow today, but we're still out here getting some trains for you guys to enjoy. Just about a whiteout here now, and I just got here about 10 minutes ago. Took me a half an hour just to get out of my driveway. The car was covered in ice from yesterday's ice storm. But everything seems pretty good now. Wasn't that bad getting down here. There's the end. I would zoom in down there, but you wouldn't be able to see it.
Number is 92788.
Hey everybody, it's Welded Rail Trains again. Starting to get a little bit of snow. I just caught a couple trains and I'm gonna go to a different spot where the snow was plowed a little bit better. Got about another hour of daylight before it gets dark, so I'll try to take advantage of that. Look at this, almost a whiteout up there. Today is Sunday, January 19th, 2020. Lake effect snow, that's what this is. It can be clear 1 minute and the next minute a band of snow can just move right on in from over the lake. This is what they're called, the snow belts of south of Buffalo. Crossing over the old Dunkirk and Allegheny Valley railroad tracks here. Now a CSX branch line or spur, but it only goes about 3 or 4 miles off the main line. The rest of the tracks were all tore out years ago. Used to be passenger service on that track, believe it or not. From Dunkirk over to Fredonia, Cassadaga, Jamestown, all the way to Warren, PA, and Titusville, I believe. Once you get a few miles outside of Dunkirk on that line, on that old DAV line, they used a pusher steam locomotive to help push the trains up the hills. And then once they got to the top of the hill, they returned the pusher locomotives back down to the roundhouse at the bottom of the hill. once you get into the city here, the roads are generally plowed more often, and the main highways are also, but in case we get lots of snow, I don't want to be getting stuck out there. Next year, get a four-wheel drive truck for these winters. Keep getting good videos for all my subscribers. This is plowed. Not recently, but well, maybe it wasn't. A lot of times these open fields like this, we've been having 30, 40 mile per hour winds again. It's been a windy winter. These open fields, when you have wind like that, the snow doesn't really build up a lot unless you get lots of it over a couple days time period. All right, let's hope to get some more trains before it gets dark.
Oh yeah.
All three of them got to back down and turn around.
Listening to the scanner, there's a semi truck, or actually three of them, stuck on the hill where I got a video 3 or 4 years ago, same exact hill and location just above the railroad tracks. Hey, I'm thinking of going over there and getting another video. It'll probably be just like the one I have. You can go on my page and check it out if you want the one I got a couple of years ago. It's semi truck stuck spinning its tires up the hill. And it's funny because I mentioned to somebody today commenting on that video that we have the same exact conditions today as that day. It's not just the snow. You gotta have the right temperatures, the right humidity, the right moisture on the road to make it really slippery like that. Otherwise, trucks can get up pretty easily up the hill. So if you want, go ahead and check that video out. EPU, all right. Almost sounds like another train coming.